How to find your Discord token. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find your Discord token. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Discord. You are here, but to find the token, you'll actually have to go to your Google. And what you're going to do is you can actually access from here as well. Keep in mind that we get this option right here on Google Chrome. So if you're using any other browser, then it might not work. So once you are on your Google Chrome, you can just click on these three dots, and then we're going to click on More Tools. In More Tools, we're going to go to Developer Tools. All right, so it will open up all of the developer tools for us, and it will look like this. Now you're going to click on these arrows right here and click on application. So right here we have application. After application, you're gonna have to simply go to the local storage. So once you click on local storage, it will open up your application for you. We have Discord open, so it will show us this. I'm gonna click right here. Now we have all of these different options, and you can just click right here on this toolbar as well, and it will kind of like get this for you. It will convert it into a mobile view. So once it's done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just search for the token. There you go. Here it is, your token for Discord. Make sure not to like share it, but this is like our token. And now what I can do is I can actually just copy it, and I can now paste it wherever I want. This is my Discord token, and this is how you can simply find it. You will be able to do this on your PC. This option is not available like to do everything. It's not available on your mobile phone, so you will have to do it on your Chrome, and this is how you can just simply get to your Discord token. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.